Now them. Oh, yeah, pick the clothes. House.
Pick the money. I'll call him go. Hey. Lafiya kalau. Oh, kana kasuwa? Oh, gani nan zai zo gobe. Gobe zai zo. Aba mun tade magana muna dole zai zo gobe ka ci ko? Zai zo. Alkawali mu ko? Dole zai kawo. Zai kawo.
Kai, Yusuf, no let you bring?
Oga, me I share wahala very well before I get time for this too.
Wallahi. Abeg, try make this in 10. I need them before this week run off. Abeg, try make this in 10.
To, back home. I will try get time for 10 for you.
Try. Your money is ready. As soon as you bring them, I will give you your money.
How about Allah?
Come. Why did you drop this money here?
Which money? No, not me get up for the money, pa.
Not you.
But couldn't happen.
You are lying. I was watching you from my car. I saw when you walked to this place, you brought out a red cloth, and from there you dropped this money here.
I will
slap you. Come on. I saw you from the car.
So, Oga, I drop and be here for anybody who need money to pass.
For anybody that will want to use the money, like you want to help people. Oh, so you don't know where orphanage homes are? Listen, if you want to help people, go to orphanage homes and give them the money, or you go to your area and look for somebody who is in need of money and give it to them. But for this one, you have to pick it.
I send the Nigeria. You know how the Nigeria day for now. I just drop one for anyone who need them for money. Make it pick them. Okay, leave them for here, man.
Leave it for what?
Leave one.
Is it not your money?
Okay. Now for anybody where they pass them for
pick
here,
pick it. Go to your area. You can find people and help. Pick the money.
How about Oga?
I will slap you. Pick this money.
People go pass them for here.
Look at this man. I was watching him from the car. He stopped here, brought out one red cloth, and from there he brought out this money and dropped it here, and he left. I called him to pick the money.
I put am for ground for anybody wey fit need am for money.
Who is anybody? If you want to help somebody, go to orphanage home and give it to them. And pick the money.
You go all this ritualists so.
Me, I drop am for ground for anyone who want am for money, make it pick am.
Pick the money.
Okay, see, with red clothes.
Yes.
Na ritual.
Guy, but pick the money.
Search it. You put the money. Search it.
Okay, pick this money.
Oga, me, I know.
I pick the money.
Pick the money.
Come on, pick this money. Come on, pick this money.
Pick that money.
Take it out my hand. Pick the money.
Naba kukuda uka.
Pick the money.
What?
I dash am for you.
You be like who dey dash person money.
Pick this money, my friend. Pick that money. Pick that money. Pick that.
Pick the money. Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey!
Jesus.
This guy was a ritualist.
A ritualist. Now then these people do money. Hey! You say that person pick this money now.